itakuwa hivi. Sindi boy.
Baharini. Sasa hivi nakuja hapa alafu MD ndo watu address. Mike begi hapa. Mike MD na.
Sekian tinggal deh.
I'm fine. Morning.
So this is supposed to cover your navigation and communication equipment. We have
Kenya Ports, Captain Ruto, other HODs from Kenya Ports Authority, from the different departments, our partners Kenya Shipyard Limited, represented by Colonel Vashenga, my own team members from Southern Engineering, and of course the press here. A very good morning. It's indeed a very happy occasion for Southern Engineering and specifically for me. Why? Because we waited 15 odd years for this moment to happen, and I'm very happy that it has happened during the tenure of Captain Ruto. We have been discussing over the years of an indigenous build, and it has fructified today. This boat behind us is a mooring boat, 14.5 meters in length, and it is 100% built in Kenya by the Kenyan technicians, which proves that we have the wherewithal in this country and we can deliver. And this vessel, for your information, has been delivered on time, sir. We look forward to many more such occasions in the future with your blessings, sir, and with the support we received from the Marine Department, with the Marine Engineering Department, and of course Kenya Shipyards, who are the sellers for us. With that few words, I would say, and last but not the least, my team represented here, they have toiled and constructed a beautiful boat, which MD will, I'm sure, will let us know what he has seen. And it all goes to the people, the workmen I have at the shipyard. Build Kenya and buy from Kenya. That motto. Thank you very much.
Representative from Southern Engineering, representative from Kenya Shipyard Limited, my colleagues, and the Fourth Estate. Good morning. For me, really, it's a great pleasure to be here today, and it forms part of that history in this country today, because one of the things which I think Sanjeev didn't say is that for the first time in the history of this port, we are building a mooring boat in Mombasa port. Previously, we have a fleet of marine equipment which we've always been building abroad and shipping them to this country. Today, as I've said, it forms that part of the history because over the years, you've heard also the country we are saying, we want also to exploit the blue economy. When we say we exploit the blue economy, is also we build capacity for our Kenyans. Because this boat was built in Kenya, built by Kenyans, and it can be able to compete with other international firms that have been building boats for us. Really, Southern Engineering and Kenya Shipyard Limited, I want to say thank you for the initiative, because when Kenya Shipyard was started, people didn't know how it was started and the reason behind it. The reason behind it basically was to exploit the blue economy and to support Kenyans to build that capacity in able to also to compete with other international markets in terms of shipbuilding and also ship industry. So really, we are very proud of you, which is KMB 9. It represents a new beginning for many mariners in our country, bringing us closer to realizing our dream of Buy Kenya, Build Kenya in marine vessels. This modern heavy-duty boat is easily to handle and is capable of withstanding rough seas and rough weather. It measures 14.5 meters. The length features a twin-screw engine, Caterpillar Cat 9-3 AC series with power rating of 310 kilowatts. The design service speed is 10 knots, and if you have heard also from my team, when they did the testing, they were also to surpass that 10 knots at 85% power. This boat, it costed us $2,040,000, and it took a delivery period of 9 months. If this boat could have been built outside, the building alone, it could have taken 9 months, and the delivery would have taken another 3 to 4 months. So really, in terms of delivery, again, we want to thank SECO for at least achieving the timely delivery of this boat. This new boat will boost our marine operations and elevate our overall efficiency in the ports. Finally, I also want to express my appreciation and collaborations with our partner government agencies and the private sector in actualizing this dream. We look forward for more projects and the support in the future. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.
Thank you very much, MD. I think will we take...
So it's built according to the international standards, and as well as meeting the statutory requirements, the government statutory requirements. So with the issue with the hull integrity and the machinery, everything is taken care of as per the international standards.
And it has certifications.
My name is Frederick Mutuku. I'm a Bureau Veritas Marine and Offshore Surveyor.
Ongeza ile jina ya Kifaransa ndio waelewe.
Yeah, the material actually it meets all the international standards, and it's been verified from the manufacturer.
Class A. Yeah. We will come to that during the press briefing.
Press briefing.
Wow.